Fortunately, when it's still damp, you can just, you know, wipe it with a dry cloth, and try it over again. And this is underneath the car anyway, so it's not like it's seeking a glossy mirror finish and whatnot, so no big deal. There we go. You can get this stuff at pretty much any hardware store, auto parts store. You know, doesn't have to be perfect, because once it dries, it looks fine anyway. And this stuff dries very quickly. So, you know, you can paint quickly and just wait a minute or so and overlap it and do it again. Then it will dry in pretty much no time. Only takes a few moments for it to dry, but you may want to put a fan on it or something so it dries thoroughly, or just leave it overnight before you put it back on the car. And that's that. Rust-Oleum trim and bumper paint. It will make your car, or at least the parts of your car that are all faded and gray, look beautiful again. Check out our other videos. We're doing a lot more to this Taurus X. All kinds of interior improvements, electronic improvements. You know, just trying to fix her up, because it was a cheap purchase on Facebook Marketplace. And so we're going to spend a little time and try to make it better than it was. So check out our other videos. We've got more coming soon. Y'all have a good evening.